The worst thing about any dash cam is it doesn't look good. First of all, you have to struggle a lot to hide those wires, and still there will be some part which is dangling out. And to solve that exact issue, Mangoal came up with this dash cam. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, but still, this is the honest review of Mangoal's OEM Dashcam. How this company fixed the main issue with traditional dashcam is quite interesting. Let me show you how the dashcam looks first. This is how it looks. So what this is going to do is, it is going to cover around your mirror, and the camera is located over here. So it looks like it is a part of a car. It doesn't feel like you installed something separately. Now in most of the modern cars, you already have a camera near the mirror, which is for lane departure or adaptive cruise control. So you do have a power line over there. So this company came up with the idea that power line we can utilize to power this dash cam. That means no more wires running through the door seal, and that will free up one USB port as well. The downside of this is they have to manufacture this for each and every car model separately, because mirror of each car is different. So you have to make sure you buy the correct model. Now my car over here is Honda CR-V. So I'm going to install this, and we will talk about the process, the quality, and of course the price. I know this sun is giving very harsh lighting, but what to do? And someone is flying a plane here, toy plane. Anyway, apart from dashcam, it comes with a manual. You don't have to read through manual, but basically there is one QR code which you have to scan and install one app called Skycam. Using this app, you can get all the information about dashcam and how to install it as well. They have a different videos in the app showing how to install it for each car model. Apart from this, we have some. Everyone wants to make noise today. Now someone is cutting grass over there. Apart from that, they give one memory card as well, one prying tool, power cable, and the rear dash cam too. This is of course optional. If you don't want rear dash cam, you can buy only the front dash cam. Now let me watch a video for Honda CR-V. They have hundreds of cars here. This is not as easy as it looks, guys. Honda has done a great job in fitting everything together. Finally it's off. Getting this out was no joke. Anyway, let's see what's next. Next we have to remove this part, and then we have to remove this panel as well. So for that, open this up, and you can see two screws inside. We have to remove those screws. So in total 3 panels we have to remove. This, and we already removed 2 from here, so it's not that small task. And then have to pry this open. Okay. Finally we are in. Now I removed this clip. While removing, make sure you press this, okay? Otherwise if you just pull, it won't come off. And then we will put this over here. Now putting these screws back is extremely challenging task, because you have to do it vertically, and by mistake also if you drop them, they goes under the seat. So good luck finding them again. Okay, finally success. This panel is back, and while putting this panel back, one cable I kept out, and here the dashcam will go. Perfect, and dashcam is on place. Now I know there are 2 more extra wires. So one wire is if you want to connect the rear dashcam. Otherwise you can just put this wire inside over here, and this another wire is for GPS. So that I don't have, so I will put this wire inside, and I will connect the rear dash cam maybe later. Now I'm too sweaty. And the memory card will go over here like this. Once camera is set up, in app you have to connect the camera. Now to do that, you have to join the camera's Wi-Fi. So it is not that difficult process, it's straightforward. I can connect it, joining the camera Wi-Fi now. Okay, back to the app, and we are in. You can see the live view, but there is a small issue. After let's say 5 to 10 seconds, my phone again connects back to the car using that CarPlay and car Wi-Fi, something like that. So it doesn't stay with the camera, it's gone. Anyway, it's not a big deal. Memory card is there. If something happens, you can always take out the memory card. But it would be better if app can stay connected to the dash cam. So let me see if there are some settings, but as of now I couldn't figure out any. I just realized one more disadvantage of this dash cam. It doesn't have any internal battery. So if you compare this to my old Rove 2 dash cam, it had some internal battery. So if sudden jerk comes to the car, like if someone tries to steal something, then dash cam starts recording, which is a good thing. But with this dash cam, that's not possible. So it will record only when car is on. Oh, Kato is here. Now it's the turn of rear dash cam, which comes with a wire. So this OEM dash cam thing is only for front dash cam. Rear dash cam is again same. So I have to run this wire all the way through here to the back. This might be their future project. They can create OEM rear dash cams too. I know there is little bit difficulty getting power in the back, but I think there is a wiper, something, I don't know, you figure it out. Now I am installing rear dash cam, but we are not going to talk about that in this video because that is just regular dash cam with the wire. So the process is same. The only thing is you can connect this dash cam in your front OEM dash cam, so you don't need any power outlet of the car for this rear dash cam. Now let's talk about the video quality, because at the end it doesn't matter how good the dash cam looks. What matters is how good the video looks. As you can see here, the video is in 4K. Quality looks pretty good. Definitely this is a well lit situation. It's a daytime, you have a sunlight. You can see image is little bit blown on the clouds, but still I would say dynamic range is very good. When you directly shoot the sun, then of course it will blow up. You have the timestamp, date stamp in the corner, which is of course useful later on. Image is smooth, there is no lag, not much vibrations. And if you see the night footage, definitely it is not as good and clear as a daytime footage, but you can see everything, and I think in a city it is good enough. Can it be improved? Yes, but by no means we can say it is a bad footage. So overall I am pretty pleased with the footage quality, which matters the most. Finally, the cost. Let me check it on Amazon. Right now if you get it on Amazon, it is about $150 to $250 depending on which car and also if you take the rear dash cam or not. If we compare to other dash cams, I will say it is pretty competitive. If you want to buy one, I will put a link in the description box of this video. But make sure you buy the correct car model. So to sum up, it is really very unique idea to create dash cams in such a way that they looks like a part of a car. Loved how it looks. Video quality is also very good. Footage is much clear. Definitely usable for insurance claims and etc. You can even read the number plates of the cars in front of you. Installation is also not too difficult, but I would not say it is very easy. Maybe for some cars it will turn out to be very easy, but for CRV I had to struggle a little bit. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button on YouTube, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.